Hello, this is a video on how to remove an ice maker from a freezer. First thing you do is you want to unplug the freezer, unplug the refrigerator, and then go and turn off the water to the refrigerator. The ice maker has 3 attachment points. You have one at the bottom here, and then you'll have 2 on the side. All right, so remove the screw at the bottom here, and then the 2 screws on the side you will just loosen, and then unit will basically just come out like so. Look at the trough and the hole, so when you put it back together you have to line up the hole with the trough. In this case, the 3rd tab was jammed with the harvesting, rotating actuator which pushes the ice. I used a screwdriver to unjam it. Now we'll go and put it back together. You now have the unit tightened with the screws here. Now you need to plug in the unit here. All right, so now the unit's in place, ready to go. This is your on and off lever. When it's in the up position, it's off. When it's in the down position, it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on. Go ahead and put the ice tray in, slide it back in. This is your access door. You can see the unit's in the on position. It's now to turn on the power and the water. So you go ahead and plug it back in and turn on the water valve. Okay, I'm coming back. It's been 3 hours, maybe or so. So now we come in. I'm gonna check for ice. Go ahead and lift up the lid. I can see that the armatures are different, or in a different position now. So I know this thing's turning. And then when you look inside, here's the first harvest of ice produced. So basically the issue was the turning armature that harvests the ice and pushes the ice cubes out was jammed with one of the white tabs there. All right, you got ice. You know, another 24 hours, you have a full bucket of ice. All right.